Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to private Instagram account. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's begin the video. First of all, you will simply open your Instagram application. So here you will simply go to your profile. So at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on it and you will simply go to settings. So at the fourth option, there is a privacy option. You will simply tap on privacy. So here is the private account option. You will simply tap on it and you will simply tap on switch to private. So the account has been privated. So this is the simple process of private the account on Instagram. So if you want to disable this private account to public, you will simply tap on it and here you will simply tap on switch to public. So the account will change in the public. So this is the simple process of privating the account on Instagram. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.